mates, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Wendy in the building, and yeah, welcome back to another beautiful tutorial today. So on this one, we are going to be learning how to make your beautiful camisole for your lace. Okay, you know this kind of bubu that Yorubas do wear. So this is a camisole that you can use to wear it. You can as well call it an inner for your transparent lace. I don't know what you know it as. So this is what we are going to be making today. If you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. Thank you guys for all your support. If you are coming here for the very first time, you are also welcome. Please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get every of my new updates on this channel. And please like, share, and don't forget to leave a nice comment. Okay, so these are all we'll be needing for this tutorial. We don't need much. We'll be needing our straight ruler, measuring tape, a cutting bias, of course our chalk, and this is a satin fabric, and this is about 2 yards of fabric. So I'll be cutting this on fold. Okay, this type of dress doesn't have a zipper, so I'll be cutting the back and front together at once. Being that is an inner, it should not be longer than the main dress itself. All right, so I'll folded it into two. The next step, I'll be marking out the starting line. If you have been following my channel, and from there, after the starting line, we'll start marking out the vertical measurements, which are the bust points, waistline, hip point, and length of the dress. Okay, so first is to draw out the starting line. And then from here, I will start inserting the bust points. So I have a bust point to be 11 inches. The waistline, I have it to be 17 inches. And then the hip, 25 inches. Now to the length of the camisole. So this is 25 inches, and the length of the lace itself is 60 inches. So I'll be making this one. I'll be using the full length of this, which is 57 inches. Okay, so I'll square out the lines. Now I will insert the shoulder. The shoulder is 7 inches. After I must have divided by 2, so shoulder 7 inches. And this kind of camisole doesn't have a sleeve, you already know, so there is no need of adding. Rather, I'll be minusing inches from the shoulder. Okay, so there will be no need of adding an extra inch for the allowance. Okay, for the turning allowance. So from here, I will insert her armhole, which is 9.5 inches. Okay, or you can use your bust circumference to do that. So again, I'll come here and insert the 7 inches, and then I'll connect these lines together. Okay, so because this is a camisole, it ought to be so free inside. Remember, I will be adding an extra allowance by the time I mark out the shape. Okay, so and for the neck, you want to make this neck not to come out from the actual lace. Okay, so for the neck width, I'll be making use of 4.5 inches, so that by the time we turn this, we'll be arriving to 5 inches. So for the neck depth, I'll be making use of 5 inches, and then I will connect these lines together. And then from here I'm going to carve out the neckline. For the back neckline, I can make use of 3 inches, and the same thing for the neck width. So from here I'm going to come down by 1 inch, and I'll connect this line. So to carve out the armhole, I'm going to divide what I have here by 2, and this is the middle, so I'll come in by half an inch, and from there I'm going to draw out a straight line using my straight ruler. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like this until I insert the round measurement. So for the bust I have 9.5 inches. Okay, and I'll insert 9.5 inches here as well. Remember to leave a space for the armhole ease. Okay, then for the waist I have 10 inches, so I'm going to insert 10 inches here. Remember that what we are inserting here is the circumference, our body circumference. So for her waist measurements we have 11.75. So this is 11.75. Okay, whatever I have here, I'm going to add 2 inches to it. So I have 11.75 plus 2 inches, I should have 13.75 here. Okay, and then before I connect all these lines together, I have to insert my sewing allowance. Okay, so to insert my sewing allowance, okay, so plus I have to insert my ease allowance first. So for the ease I have to make use of 1 inch, and then 1 inch for my sewing allowance. So I'm connecting the lines. And now I'll carve out my armhole. Okay. So I'm trying to insert my shoulder seam allowance, which is half an inch, and I'll connect to the shoulder. So I'm going to, this is all for this. I'm going to cut it out right now. So to cut out, I'm going to start from the shoulder and then to the armhole. So what I will do next is to cut out our neckline. First, I'm going to cut out the back neckline. Okay, so after this, I'm going to remove the back, and then I will cut out the front neck. Okay, so this is it. I will go and join this. You already know how to join this. It's very simple and easy. What I will do is to, okay, first of all, I will join the shoulder using 1/2 inch. The two shoulders, I'm going to go ahead and join them together, and then for the side seam, I'm going to use 1 inch to join them together, and for the hem, I'm going to hem using just 1 inch. Okay, so and after that, I'm going to use a cutting bias to turn the neckline, and we are done. The next you'll be seeing is this on the mannequin.